Okay, so this is part 4 of how to use the Medicube HR Booster Pro. And in this video, we'll be looking at how to use the EMS Derma Shot Mode. Now, for those of you who have been following me, you'll know that the EMS Derma Shot is this device right here, which is the Y-shaped electrical muscle stimulation machine. This thing has been an absolute saving grace when it comes to my jawline and lifting and elevating my upper cheek area, which helps lift everything else. What Medicube has done is they've integrated the Derma Shot technology from this device into this one. Again, with the Derma Shot mode, it's recommended to use daily. I personally use it twice daily. I always use it in combination with the Microcurrent mode. They go hand in hand together. One works more superficially, the other one works deeper. But unlike with Microcurrent, where you're using it across the entire surface of the face and neck, with the Derma Shot mode, you're going to be targeting specific facial muscle groups with the intention of developing them, providing strength to them, lifting everything upwards. Now, obviously, you're going to want to apply skincare products that are conductive. You could use the collagen jelly cream, or you could use the trusty old HR booster gel. Now, I've used the jelly cream already in a couple of these Medicube HR Booster Pro how to use videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the HR booster gel in this one. Now, this one is designed specifically with conductivity in mind, so it's going to work amazingly well for helping that frequency enter the muscles and work them out to their very best. So what I'm going to do, a little bit of the booster gel onto the fingers, spread it across. So I'm going to be working on my cheek muscles, going to be working above the brow to lift and elevate the brow slightly, and I'm going to be working along the jawline. These are the 3 key areas that I personally work on to keep my face elevated and lifted. As someone in their 40s, keeping my face up here is something that I really want to try to do for as long as possible. And to do that, these are the muscle groups that I find really work best when they're worked on. Okay, so I'm going to turn the device on. Now, if you're selecting the frequency manually, you're going to push the mode button twice.
Microcurrent Derma Shot Mode.
That takes you onto Derma Shot. Of course, if you're using the app, then you can control your Medicube Booster Pro device via the app. Starting out, it's always a good idea to use level 1, which is the preset for this device. But for me, I've been using it for a while, so
Level 5.
I'm going up to level 5. Going to keep the red light on for elasticity. I have been mainly using the green light on the other modes, which is for volumizing. As with all of the other modes, the frequency isn't going to activate until the Booster Pro detects that the head of the device has come into contact with the skin. And what I'm doing is just gliding along, and I'm holding it in place. And then again, a really slow glide. Hold it in place. And again, slow glide. Hold it in place. I'm going to smile to get the apple of the cheeks to raise. It's going to slide around and underneath the apple and then push upwards. And again, so under, lift. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to do the other side. Hold. 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 Smile. Under the cheek, and then we're pushing inwards and upwards. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again.
1 minute passed.
2, 3, 4. And we're going to do the brow, so running through the brow and just above it, gently just gliding outwards. And as we reach the arch of the brow, we're just going to hold 5, 6, 7, 8, and then down 3. And again, slow glide. Hold at the arch of the brow. And then slide out. And once more. hold,
minutes past.
and then glide out. And then the other side. Hold, and then glide out. Slow glide. The arch of the brow, hold, and glide out. By arch of the brow I mean the highest point of the arch. And then last one, slide out. Hold, and then slowly glide outwards. And then for the jawline, we're just going above the jawbone here, starting just at the outer part of the chin muscle. I'm going to slide along the jawbone upwards really slowly, up towards the gonial angle,
3 minutes past.
onto the masseter muscle, and then hold. And again. Really slow glide up towards the gonial angle, onto the masseter muscle, and then again on the opposite side. Slow glide up the jawline towards the masseter muscle, and then hold at the gonial angle. And again.
4 minutes past.
And then I like to finish just under the chin jawline area right here, just to strengthen the muscle that's going to suck and pull up your double chin or your turkey neck. I don't tend to use EMS down the centre line of the neck. Unlike microcurrent, it does cause much stronger contractions. Really don't want to be doing that over my thyroid gland. And then up and out. Up and out. And then the other side. Up and out. Up and out. And that's it. That's how I use the Medicube Pro EMS Derma Shot function. So that's how to use the 4 different modes on the Medicube Booster Pro device. Each one targets specific areas and conditions within the skin and on the face and neck, delivering professional results that get better and better with every single use. If you want to see my full review on the Medicube Booster Pro, links are in the description box down below. Otherwise, any questions you've got, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll try my best to get back to you. Thank you so much for joining me for these videos. It's been super fun helping you learn how to use this device. Have an amazing day ahead of you and enjoy the rest of your day, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next videos. So till then, TJ over and out.